How to log in to TikTok app. So if you want to log in to TikTok, then all you have to do is open up your TikTok app, and after opening, on the bottom right corner you will have your profile. Tap on profile, and then you can select an account if you have saved your account. But if you have not saved your account, then you can tap on add existing account, and then you can log in by using your phone number, email, or your username. Or you can also log in with Facebook, or you can continue with Google, with Twitter, with Instagram, any of that. So tap on the first option, and here you can enter your phone number. But if you don't want to enter your phone number, then you will have email or username option, and then here it is asking for your email or username. And after entering your email or username, you have to enter your password on the next step. If you forgot your password, then you have forgot password option. You can simply tap on forgot password, and then you can reset your password. So after entering your email address and your password, then you can simply tap on login, and you will be logged into your TikTok account. So that's it guys, that's how you log into your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.